Yes or no?
Thank you very much, ladies. Now, let's see, what could the judges say?
In fairness, napakahirap nun. It's really a skill.
Yeah.
I would always admire someone who plays a violin because my cousin is a violinist of Sanctuary, a silent sanctuary band. But I believe you need to do more of the refining of the notes, the way you sweep in and sweep out. That's a little rat in yours, but it's a yes.
Okay, first yes.
Ako parang may naririnig ako na hindi maganda. Hindi ko alam kung maingay lang talaga. Because I'm trying to concentrate with the music. Audience, please, children, be quiet while somebody's performing.
Children.
So that's what I'm talking about, yung when it's a violin, dapat ang kasama niya ay hindi voice, kundi accompaniment from the piano. Siguro next time, try to, hindi ko alam, bukod dun sa accompaniment niya na piano, may ibang instruments pa ba na nandun? Piano lang talaga.
Sir, palit tayo.
Okay. So for me, it's a yes.
Yeah, you have still yes, so automatically pasok na. Pero from Sir Adrian? Where?
Yes.
Okay! Congratulations!
Congratulations!